You're watching CKWS News at Noon. Nice to see you on this Friday afternoon. We are more or less out of the woods. We dealt with some freezing rain, some ice pellets, some flurry activity pretty much for all of eastern Ontario. You might have saw a combination of both or just one or the other. In the afternoon, -4, mostly cloudy sky for the most part, and then overnight -11. Today was the coldest day we've seen in quite some time with temperatures below average. There's that system. It has gone and out of the way. Some parts of the region could even start the day with some sunny periods and then clouding over. And even into Sunday, we're looking at a relatively precipitation-free weekend. Also, the good news, temperatures are on the rise again. If you like these mild temperatures we saw earlier this week, back at it this weekend. Today's high for Belleville, -3. You would have dealt with some a light rain and some flurries. And then 3 degrees, that's +3 for Saturday, getting up to 6 on Sunday, well above average. Not a whole lot of sunshine for Sunday though, Belleville. Mostly cloudy sky. Average high this time of year for parts of the region is around -1, so it was a cold one for Brockville today, only getting to -4 and dealing with that rain snow mix and some freezing rain thrown in there as well. And then up to +2 tomorrow, getting to 7 degrees on Sunday. Both days mostly cloudy. For Smiths Falls, 2 to 4 centimeters of flurries for you today. -6 is what you would have dealt with for a high, not high at all. 2 degrees on Saturday with a little bit of sunshine, and then up to 5 on Sunday, mostly cloudy. Here's how Kingston's next 5 days are looking. Cool one today, only getting to -3, maybe -4 in the afternoon, dealing with that rain snow mix earlier in the day. It was a messy morning. And some wind for Saturday and a mostly cloudy sky. We could see a little bit of sunshine to begin the day and then clouding over. We'll climb to +2 and again a return to above average temperatures all the way into next week. 5 degrees for Sunday, mostly cloudy, a light rain to begin the week on Monday, which is a family day, a holiday. Woohoo! 5 degrees the expected high, up to +3 for Tuesday with the chance of a rain snow mix.
Yeah, certainly a lot cooler right now, but it's not going to stay that way for very long. Those temperatures will be back on the rise, and that'll happen over the weekend. Showers and flurries by Monday, much colder by midweek, and that's when we get into some more snow. By Thursday, not just a few flurries, but some periods of snow are possible. Let's have a look at those daytime highs across the region today. Not as high as we've seen lately. Yeah, around the freezing mark between Toronto and Belleville. A bit cooler in Kingston at -2, a 0 in Brockville, -2 in Smiths Falls, and a -3 in Ottawa today. Sitting at a -6 right now, feeling like -9. Those northerly breezes, light but still there, creating a bit of a point spread between that temperature and the wind chill. How it feels is basically what a wind chill is. It's not a real number, but that's precipitation we had overnight. About a centimeter of snow and ice pellets through the overnight and into the morning more so. But it was through those wee hours of the morning we saw more rain mixed with freezing rain. About 8 millimeters total of rain, but within that, we had about 2 to 3 millimeters of accretion, which means the ice buildup on surfaces. It's funny to see everybody the next day driving around. You can see the ones that are very thorough with the ice scraping, and then the ones that just do that hole big enough for driving, you know, so you can see a little bit. But everybody had gave their ice scrapers a real workout today, and you know, we've been pretty good because this has been typical all winter long. That sort of plus temperature during the day, minus temperature in the evening and overnight. With precipitation, you get that transition, you get that risk of freezing rain, and it's been like that pretty much all winter. But this is the first time we've actually seen serious freezing rain. It's always been just a trace up until now. So I think we've got off pretty good as far as that potential for freezing rain and what we actually received. So high pressure trying to move in and clear it up, but that will be short-lived. You might get a little bit of sunshine in the morning if you're lucky, and then, yeah, more troughing moving in. We've got that increase in cloud, 30 to 40% chance of flurries through the day, more so in the morning, early afternoon. And then, yeah, we're looking at 2 lows moving in, and as they do, they bring some hefty warm fronts. That's going to bring those temperatures up. We'll be well into the plus zone with showers. But again, as temperatures drop through the evening and you get into these cold fronts, we get into the minus, and then you see that transitional precipitation, that wintry mix, and again, the risk of freezing rain is always there when you get that transition. So this is where we're sitting now, mainly clear conditions, but that cloud will move back in tomorrow. There's that small probability of flurries and light snow through the day, and then we get into a northerly flow by Saturday evening. It'll probably clear back up again for a short spell, and then Sunday that cloud increases again, and it's setting the stage for some more active weather. That'll be a push from the south, and it'll probably be a wintry mix again, showers, and then of course as temperatures drop, like we said, you're into that probability of mixed precipitation. Belleville a high 2 tomorrow, and maybe a bit of sunshine in the morning, but that cloud's going to increase quite early. A 30% chance of flurries through the morning and early afternoon. For Sunday, it's cloudy with a high 6, rising to 6 Celsius again on Monday with a mostly cloudy day. You've got that chance of showers brewing. That could be mixed, of course, with snow and ice pellets. Again, the risk of freezing rain as temperatures drop later in the day. Brockville a high of 2 tomorrow, maybe a bit of sunshine or a mix of sun and cloud in the morning, increasing cloud through the afternoon. Sunday a high 7 and cloudy up to 5 Celsius Monday, and you've got a good chance of some showers, could be mixed with some flurries by nightfall. Smiths Falls looking at a high of 2 tomorrow, a mix of sun and cloud through the morning, increasing cloud in the afternoon. Sunday cloudy, high 5, rising to 5 Monday, and a good chance of showers turning quickly to mixed precipitation late afternoon, early evening as temperatures drop. You're going to get down to a minus 13 on Monday night, Smiths Falls. Kingston, your forecast a high 2. A bit of sun to start the day, but that increasing cloud around noon leads to a 30 to 40% chance of a flurry through the day. Sunday cloudy with a high 6, up to 5 on Monday, and you've got a shower to start. That could turn to flurries as temperatures drop late in the day. Tuesday cloudy, a high 3, and mixed precipitation. For Wednesday, cloudy and minus 2. Yeah, so a little cooler temperatures moving in next week, but that sets the stage for significant snowfall Thursday. No numbers yet. It's a bit far into the future, but you can certainly see that those cold temperatures, it won't be a mix or rain. For Friday, it's a mix of sun and cloud and quite cool again. Minus 7 for a high and a low of minus 13. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Pam's, your local florist, delivering smiles across Kingston since 1962.
Phil Yent of Kingston sends this one in. An aerial shot of Cataraqui Bay, just near Lake Ontario Park.
Oh, okay.
And those little white specks on the left are swans, I believe.
Okay. Sheets of ice.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah, you know, at first glance I thought it was someone's windshield.
Yes, somebody that was half fit. You know, I've talked about those people who scrape that little hole so they can see. That's kind of what it looks like, right?
Yes, there are. Yes. Well, it's hard to scrape that today, Bill. It was on there like cement.
Yeah,
trying to get that ice off.
And then you had that snow and ice pellet dusting over top of it too, right?
Lovely picture though from overhead. The forecast says it looks like a real tug of war between seasons still going on, Bill.
Yeah, it just doesn't seem to want to let up. That push from the south seems to be a little stronger than that push from the north this season.
Right. Okay, we'll find out if that is a trend that will stay with us in the 10-day outlook a little bit later. Thank you, Bill. Winter and spring seem to be duking it out mixed martial arts style. At least we'll find out in the 10-day outlook, Bill.
Yes, up and down with those temperatures again. A little cool right now, but we rise to the plus zone again tomorrow up to 2 degrees. And maybe some sunshine to start, but a small chance of flurries through the day. Sunday we rise to 6 Celsius, cloudy, and then come Monday a high 5, and it starts off as showers, but could be mixed with some flurries or ice pellets late in the day as temperatures drop. Up to 3 again Tuesday as mixed precipitation covers the region. For Wednesday, it cools down, minus 2 for a high. Cloudy conditions. Looks like snow and ice pellets possible for Thursday with a high minus 7, only rising to minus 7 again Friday with a mix of sun and cloud. And the chance of flurries and periods of snow returns Saturday with a high minus 4. A little milder Sunday and Monday with highs of 0 and a good chance of mixed precipitation.
Shauna, not much in the way of sunshine in that 10-day outlook.
No, it was actually really nice to see a little glimpse of the sunshine earlier today.
You might get a little bit in the morning tomorrow, but that's all I can promise.
Okay. Well, at least the days are getting longer. We have that to look forward to. We'll be right back.